Hello.
Hi. How's it going?
All right.
Would you like to see inside my bus a little bit?
Sure. And the name of the bus?
My bus is Old School. So what I tell people, that's because it's an old lady traveling in an old bus.
Yep.
So old. And we are old. We don't care. We're fine with that. And we're just trying to keep the dust out today because it's a very windy day.
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to show people how to do minimal. I have nothing on mine that's sophisticated. Okay, here's my little cooking stove.
Yep.
So I bungeed it so now it doesn't slide off. Here's my wonderful Alpacool fridge, freezer combo simultaneously. Important. Okay, here's my wonderful built-in bed. I've noticed being out here, a lot of people do their beds horizontal, which I haven't quite figured out because I would never give up using this wonderful big door. Like when I grocery shop and stuff, I could put everything right on my little porch and bring it in. And yeah, if I have a package from Amazon or something, I don't know why people do that, but whatever. And I did have a lady come in yesterday and she said, now see, I like this floor plan because you can walk through.
Yep.
So, and when you do your bed, well, even if you do them in the back, you could have all this underneath. This is all storage. Tons and tons of storage. I have tons of storage under my sink. I have lots of storage.
That's what I said in a lot of videos, is when you're building one of these, you think like it's a boat, and every cubic inch is possible storage.
Absolutely.
And
I tell the young kids that always want to come and look, okay, you need to stash your clothes. You either get this for about $15. These are wonderful. You can put food in them, you can put clothes in them. I said, but you can also go to the dollar store, which might become your best friend, and you get these for $1. $1. They fold totally flat.
all right.
When you're not using them, but look what they hold. I mean, so there, my clothes storage costs $5.
Yep.
Okay, I didn't like looking at my hatch all the time, so I just covered up. And then I tell people, yes, you are right. My life is now held together with bungee cords and magnets.
Yep.
And I love it. I've not put one nail in here. And then, yeah, then there's my dishes, and then you throw these little $2 rods, and plates don't fly out. The guy I bought this from was smart, though, because he started from scratch. Yeah, this was totally gutted. But he saved one seat and then put it in vertical.
Mm-hmm.
So then you have a little couch, a little love seat. I even had room for my only prized possession. The only thing I didn't have to give away is my wonderful desk that I just love. And we measured and it fits there perfectly.
Yep.
So my theory is, okay, you've got water, you can clean, you can cook, you can sleep. Isn't that what you do in a house or an apartment? So it's not much different, but easier, simpler, cheaper.
Yep. Well, thank you. I love what you've done with it.
Thank you. I can't take credit for any of it, unfortunately. Even the curtains, you know, of course everybody, oh, did you make those wonderful curtains? No, I did not. Either Chris, the owner, or his wife, I'm not even sure, because Chris was an artist. They made the curtains. I'm leaving them. Yep. I like them. It does cut down on your stealthing ability, because I kind of stand out. But you'd be surprised where I have parked this.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Churches, Lowe's, Home Depot for 3 nights.
Yep.
Walgreens.
Sure.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. I still find, because I'm a little bit of a newbie, so I still find that amazing.
yep. Tell people just ask.
Oh, I don't even ask.
Worst they can do is say no.
Well, no, you're supposed to, but I don't ask.
Yeah.
I don't.
I do, but that's me.
No, you're supposed to. You're
Yeah.
supposed to ask.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Hope you enjoyed that video, and remember, there'll be another one next Saturday. So please tell your friends and hit the subscribe button, and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Right? See you next time, YouTube. Bye.